Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Aimi Binti Ayatullah, and today I'll be talking about key issues in Malaysia's insurance industry. We often say that insurance protects us, but have we ever asked, are we really protected? Let's take a closer look at what's going wrong and what we can do better. First, one of the biggest issues is underinsurance.
A study by Bank Negara Malaysia in 2023 showed that 54% of Malaysians don't have enough insurance coverage. Greater than even worse, during the 2021 floods, only 4% of those affected had flood coverage. Greater than these numbers clearly show that millions are still financially exposed even if they have an insurance policy.
The term underinsurance means the coverage people have is far below than what they actually need. Many Malaysians do have insurance, but usually just the minimum like a basic life or motor policy. When the floods happened in 2021, thousands lost everything. Only 2 out of 10 people had any protection against flood damage. Why is this happening? Often because people don't fully understand their risk or they can afford to add extra coverage. There are 2 main causes of underinsurance. Firstly, there is a lack of awareness. Many people aren't educated about the risks they face, like natural disasters, illness, or property loss. Secondly, people usually choose policies based on price, not coverage. And third, they look for the cheapest premium, thinking it's enough for them, but unfortunately it's not. Malaysia is experiencing more frequent natural disasters, especially floods, and the cost is increasing every year. In the 2021 flood alone, insurance companies paid out 1.4 billion in claims. This has caused insurers to rethink how they calculate risk. Climate is no longer just a future issue, but it's a current financial threat. That's why premiums in high-risk areas are getting more expensive and some insurers are even pulling back coverage. Next is IFRS 17, a new international reporting standard that brings more transparency to how insurance contracts are recorded. While it's a good move for the industry, it's very expensive to implement. Each company may need to spend up to 15 million just to meet the new standards. Big insurance firms can handle this, but smaller companies may struggle, and especially with system upgrades, staff retraining, and new reporting requirements. Now let's come back to us, the consumers. Insurance policies need to catch up with real-world risks, but we as consumers also need to do our part. So we must understand that we are actually protected, what we are actually protected from, and what we are not. Because real protection only happens when we are truly aware. One of the risks we face and take steps to be properly insured. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope this presentation helps you to see the importance of proper insurance not just as formality but as a real safety net for ourselves and our loved ones. Let's make sure we're truly protected, not just on paper. Thank you.